Around 90% of engineers feels difficulty in explaining what is response spectrum during their interviews. At the end of this video, I will tell you what exact answer you should give during your interview. So first of all, let us understand how this response spectrum has been created. Before pouring concrete, engineers must know exactly how a building will handle an earthquake. They predict this using a graph called the response spectrum. It starts with a recorded earthquake and a test model, a ball on a flexible stick. As the ground shakes, the stick sways. We track it, capturing only its absolute maximum displacement. But buildings aren't identical. A short, stiff structure reacts differently than a tall, flexible one. Every building has a specific rate it naturally wants to sway, dictated by its height and stiffness. That's its natural frequency. If we change the stick's height, that frequency changes, run the same earthquake again, and we capture a new maximum displacement. Now we rapidly iterate, simulating hundreds of sticks of varying frequencies. We run the exact same earthquake, extract each peak sway, and plot them as data points. Connect them, and you get a continuous curve, the response spectrum. Now, engineers don't need to simulate a massive earthquake for renew design. They calculate the building's natural frequency, check this curve, and instantly read its maximum sway. That simple ball on a stick becomes a master key, letting engineers guarantee a skyscraper survival before it's even built. So if someone asks you that what is response spectrum, then you can tell that response spectrum is a graph that plots the maximum structural response in the y-axis and the natural period in the x-axis. So depending upon the natural period of the buildings, you can plot the exact SA by G value, that is the maximum structural response value from this graph. And the response spectrum can be different for different types of soil. So depending upon the soil type, this here you can see the graph taken from the IS 1893. The different soil conditions have the different responses of the structure. And after finding the value of SA by G, you can find out the horizontal acceleration with the above equation, that is AH equal to Z by 2 SA by G and I by R. And if the interviewer further asked you that what is the philosophy behind the response spectrum, how it is generated, then you just have to explain the complete concept what I have explained you in the earlier. Thank you so much for listening carefully, and if you have any topic that you would like to explain me in the next video, then just comment on the comment section. I will definitely make a video on that. So share this channel to anyone who is preparing for their coming interviews, and you can join my WhatsApp channel where you can get daily job opportunities what is posted in the regular basis on various platforms. So the link is given below, and you can just connect to me on LinkedIn also. Thank you so much.